At LSAME, we provide you with marketing videos about your type of business. Videos are branded with your business name, your logo, and contact information. We offer custom videos and we always offer guarantees on ranking. Contact us now to get your video like this today and your company name on the front page of Google tomorrow. Is your vehicle struggling with uneven tire wear, poor handling, or decreased fuel efficiency? It might be time for a front-end alignment and suspension check. Entrust your vehicle to our experienced technicians who have the knowledge and training to diagnose issues and perform accurate adjustments and repairs. Our state-of-the-art equipment, including computerized alignment machines and hydraulic lifts, ensures precise alignments and suspension repairs for optimal performance and safety. By choosing our local automotive shop, you're not only investing in your vehicle's health, but also supporting a business that values customer service, honesty, and integrity. Don't compromise on your vehicle's performance and safety. Contact us today for expert front-end alignment and suspension services and get back on the road with confidence. Call or visit us today to schedule your appointment.